Alright, I think we're live now. Um, yep, we are live. It does not look like my screen is showing up. Oh, there we go. So yeah, today all we're just gonna do is clean up certain things on the site, and then yeah, it's gonna be very short. So let's get Gulp running. So Gulp actually just convert, in simple words, it converts our SAS, SCSS into actual CSS. And obviously you can do many things with it, but that's what we're using Gulp for. And here you can see my setup right here. Yeah, so it's running, and if we make a change, you will be able to see that change. So it looks like we don't have a border here, and I want to fix that. Oops. And also it looks like we don't have a border here on the button. I'm also thinking of creating a pop-up, but I'm not gonna do that in this live stream. And maybe like have a hover, and also like, I don't know, I'm having second thoughts. This kind of like feels a bit too fast. Yeah, I'm having second thoughts about like whether I should have it like animate a little bit, and also thinking of adding animation to that, like a hover effect to that. Not sure. But what we are going to be focusing on simply on this live stream is the borders and adding another text box, and just basically removing this border highlight on click. So anytime you click this, it's gonna happen, but we need to remove that. We want the opposite of that to happen. Of course, we have not built, I believe it's called the accordion. We have not built this, so we're gonna build this in another live stream. So yeah, that's just an overview. And also, I don't know, maybe in this live stream, I'm thinking of maybe adding, like a button here. So like if the user is scrolling, they can go back to the top easily. So yeah, let's get started on the buttons. There we go. Yeah, we definitely do not have a border on here. So the border is gonna be the same as the background color. These are very, very simple things. And also we have live refresh that is being handled through this where is it? There we go. That plugin. Yeah. So I think that is it. and also another button in the navigation. These are very, very simple fixes. So yeah. Oh, it seems like it does not have a background at all. So I think what we're gonna do is basically just give it a white background. So border 1 pixel color. There we go. And also this one. Whoa. Almost knocked over my mic. Whoa. There we go. And what I want to do next is duplicate these input fields, and obviously this is being handled through ConvertKit, so we're gonna handle that. And also let's get rid of these. So it's outline something I forgot. Pretty tired. Yeah, let's just copy this one. There we go. Let's test it out. It's still there. There we go. This one looks more familiar. Hold on. Oh. Almost there. Supposed to go inside brackets, and this is supposed to go outside the brackets. There we go. So now what that is going to do is going to get rid of all of that for all of the inputs. So if we add another input on there, that is not going to show up again. Watch. See, it's all gone. Yeah, so let's add another input. So the reason why I want to add another input is because I want to have the user's first name and last name and also their email so that I can personalize their email. So for example, if I want to contact them for a specific promotion that I'm targeting them with, I want to be able to say, like, for example, hello John, maybe like use their first name or their last name in the email. So that's the whole point of adding this other field. And obviously we're going to have to go on to ConvertKit, which we're not going to be doing today. But yeah, and then also we're going to be changing some other things in the code after we visit ConvertKit to make some changes on there. So instead of saying full name, we are going to be put you know what, I think we might actually do the ConvertKit part today. But yeah. Enter first name, last name, and then email. So you probably should not do this, but I'm just gonna keep it because it has the same styling. What you probably should have done is probably use this to target the inputs inside of the inside of this form tag here. So maybe if you want to add like some paddings or extra padding to other ones, so you can basically add another class called padding here and just add on to it. But anyway, so enter first name, enter last name, enter your email. Yeah, I'm just gonna add on to it. I'm gonna use this to find where it is. It seems like it's actually not registering it. There we go. Change that to margin top. Margin top. So yeah, so all that is set. I don't think we need to handle anything else. Yeah, so I'm gonna go and log into my ConvertKit and I'll be back. So now we're logged in and yeah, I forgot which form that I used. I believe it may be this one. No. This one. Yeah, no, it's not this one. If it was that one, there should have been more field. It looks familiar though. I think it is this one. Hold on, let me check on the last one and yeah, it's probably this one. First name. Did I put required for? No. There we go. And publish. In the publish, this is, you know, the code that it gives you, but you can basically, I forgot what it's called, but trying to remember what it's called when you actually do this. But anyway, we're not gonna be like needing most of those. Basically, what we need to change is this right here is gonna be first name. Going based on this. So yeah, let's refresh. Actually, published, right? Yep, published. And also save. Two subscribers. So I am going to need those subscribers to move out the way. It's like just joking. Go to subscribers, and here I'm just gonna delete. So now it should be gone. So I'm going to use that email. To register and test out the form. So it says successful. Now check your email to confirm your subscription. So So here we are in my email. So this is what I was talking about. Hey Woglo. So the last name, it takes the last name and actually, personalize the email for the user. So this is the reason why I added the extra field, so we can call the user by his or her last name or her first name. So it says thank you, blah blah blah, my name there, for joining, blah blah blah, tester email list. Click the link below to confirm your subscription so you can start receiving emails from us. So here's the user's email, and once you click this, subscription confirmed. So now we refresh, you can see the user added on here. So we got the user's first name and the user's last name. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I am talking about. So here, I don't think this one should have that field. Yeah, it shouldn't have that field because we didn't add the first name at the time of this user subscribing to our email list. So now, because we have the new field here, the user have filled out that new field, and it is right here. We have accomplished our task for today.